This is a basic tutorial on how to apply a glitter tattoo using a stencil. My name is Lilia from Lilia's Art. I'm a professional face paint and balloon artist in Berlin, Germany. Let me show you how you can apply your very first glitter tattoo step by step. You can find a list of the products I used in the description box below this video. What you need is a glitter tattoo stencil, skin glue, cosmetic grade glitter that is safe for skin. On a side note, please don't ever use craft glitter or acrylic nail glitter. They look the same but can contain metal or glass particles and can damage the skin. You also need a brush to apply the glitter. Optional are a big fluffy brush to remove excess glitter in the end and alcohol wipes. How it basically works: you stick a glitter tattoo stencil onto the skin, apply skin glue and add glitter on top. I will slowly walk you through all of that. First, take a look at your stencil. A glitter tattoo stencil consists of 2 to 3 layers. A clear film, which is sometimes missing, the vinyl stencil, which is sticky, and a white backing. First, decide where you want to place the glitter tattoo. A popular spot is the inside of the arm. It is better not to put it on the face because it lasts for several days and might be hard to remove. Also, some skin glues are not suitable for the face. The second step is optional. To make the sparkle last longer, clean the area with alcohol to remove any natural oil, sunscreen or dirt. Now remove the white backing layer from the stencil. Adhere the stencil. Press down firmly and remove any possible air bubbles. Then remove the clear film if your stencil has one. Try rolling it instead of ripping it away quickly, as the stencil might come off with it. Next, apply a thin coat of glue. You should be able to see the skin underneath shining through. Wait and let the glue dry until it looks clear. You can use the time to choose the color of your glitter tattoo. Use just one or several colors. Apply the glitter with a brush until no more skin is visible. You can remove any excess glitter with a big brush. This still looks messy, but don't worry. Just remove the stencil. What a satisfying moment, isn't it? The last important step is to throw the stencil away. Please, don't use it again on any other person. If you want to know why, take a close look at the back of the vinyl and tell me how many dead skin cells you can count. How gross! Your glitter tattoo is done. It should last anything between 3 to 10 days, maybe even longer, depending on your skin type and skin products you use. Please give this video a like so that others can see that it will be helpful for them as well. And if there's any question I haven't answered, feel free to put it in the comments below this video. Thank you for watching, and I wish you a wonderful day.